Hello and welcome back to my channel. I finally got a hold of some of the Miniverse real brands. So this is essentially kind of like mini brands, but there's actual stuff in them. Pretty cool. They do have pencil marks where it says Cheez-It there. You can go to Meeny Miny Mo. This one has one right there in the center of the E. And so I wrote down some of the highlights. So this one should have Uncrustable, Pringles, among other things in there. And that's the one I'm going to open first. So let's get the wrapper off. This is the first one I'm opening. However, I do have multiple of these, and I think they're all different and unique according to what's on the side. So we do have almost like an oversized grocery bag. But yes, we have Uncrustables. These are the raspberry ones with peanut butter. Love that. Also have some Jif. As you can see, that's empty, but it looks like it came with a peanut butter substance to put in there. That is hilarious. Wonder what this stuff is made out of. Knife, topper. I don't think any of this is like resin, but I imagine it can dry out. I don't know if there's more information about it in here, but we'll find out. In this next bag, we have some mini waffles. Those are really cute. And Pop-Tarts. There are different Pop-Tarts you can get. The bag that I have came with the wild berry ones. And I would say these are pretty close to mini brands. I mean, this one's obviously a little bit bigger. Oh, we do have corn nuts in there. And you could feel them in there. I don't think I'll be opening that because there's no way to nicely seal it. But you can feel them. They do feel like little tiny peanuts in there. Let's take a look at this. We have some important information, it says. Not saying what it's made of, but it does say to store compound in airtight container, not to mix real food or add the items to here that isn't included in the kit. Of course, wash your hands after you use it. All that fun stuff. Let's take a look at this. I can't wait to see all the littles. So we have different peanuts, corn nuts. We have Spam. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Chili, I guess you can actually spoon out. Some ground chicken, some bacon. Oh, that's adorable. I saw that you can actually peel these. Ice cream. The ice cream's less exciting because we've seen that before, but still cute. We have different types of ice cream. And of course you can layer that one. So there is still like a building component to some of them. We do have popsicles. There's over 50 to collect. And then on the back side we have some Smuckers. I know I did get one of those. And again, we're filling those. We have waffles, pancakes, 3 different Pop-Tarts. One is unfrosted. I think I did get an unfrosted one. Some coffee. This is actually the kind of coffee I drink, so that's cute. With actual coffee grounds you could put in there. Twinkies, Uncrustables, Pringles. I know I did get several Pringles, and we are Pringle lovers here, so the kids are gonna think that's fun. But let's do the peanut butter, I guess, and then open these and see what all it looks like inside. I'm gonna carefully try to open these boxes. I feel like when I use my hands, I always rip them. Ooh, there we go. So there's 2 Uncrustables that came in here. Oh my gosh. How adorable. Raylan is absolutely going to lose her mind. Looks just like an Uncrustable. It says the flavor, everything on there. They don't really feel squishy or anything, but oh my gosh, that's cute. Then we have the pancakes. And those just come in one big package. These would be fun to decorate since we've done pancakes so many times, but these are mini ones. Adorable. There's at least, what, like 10 in there it looks like. Well, yeah, it says 10 on the package, so we're gonna go with that. Like I said, I'm not gonna open these, but I can feel they're tiny little pieces. feel like that would just ruin it if I cut it open and then taped it back up. As far as the Pop-Tarts, oh man, I feel like I have to open these. There's two. We're gonna at least open one. Let me get my scissor. Okay, cut it open. Guess I can stuff it back in there. We let the boss decide how she wants them displayed, but that's what it looks like. It makes me hungry. Wonder how they decide on what flavors. I wonder if like wild berry is one of the most popular and that's how they decided. Pretty interesting. Cute. And now the peanut butter. We have some Jif. I feel like this is going to be messy. I'm going to try to snip off just the smallest corner and squeeze it all in there. They did give us a knife, but I feel like that would take absolutely forever. So let's see if this theory works. And again, they also didn't tell us what this is. So like, can I touch it? Is it okay? I imagine it is, but it is pretty darn thick. Like peanut butter. Difficult to maneuver. I almost think I should take something and scrape it down. Maybe if I use like the side of this and press really hard. It almost feels like it's dry already, like it's not, but it does feel very stiff. It is moving though. You can see just how hard I'm squeezing. I guess I could cut a bigger hole. This is going to be the longest part. I feel like I'm going to assume, I wonder if warming this up would work. Maybe I should, that's what I should have done, is like sat on the package or something to warm it up without putting it in water or otherwise damaging it, just to get like heat. I wonder if that would help. But I'm going to assume every capsule has one component like this that you have to open and transfer, and then the other stuff's just like packaged. But what a cool idea. That was definitely a mark that mini brands missed. Of course we love the miniatures, but not having stuff inside, it's criminal. I feel like I'm gonna have sore hands after this. I'm gonna try to warm it up. Maybe even set it in the sun. I do have like a little ray of sunshine coming through the window. So right now, it's looking pretty funny in there, like little globs. Holding it in my hand and kind of warming it up definitely did help. There's still some in there I could scrape out, but it is rather full. I mean, I could definitely compact this down. It's kind of funny because you know how regular peanut butter, it can have like the oil on top when it separates. It almost has that oily look to it. Thought that was kind of funny. Again, don't know what this stuff is made out of, but it feels rather dry, but has like a wet, kind of oily look to it as well. So yeah, I might let that sit in the sun some more and warm up, but let's put the lid on and look at these again. So we have our Jif. I think my favorite though is the Uncrustables. My kids eat a lot of those and they're just adorable. Followed by a close second would be probably the Pop-Tart, then the peanut butter, I think. We've seen pancakes a million times. They're cute because they're miniature, but yeah. And then last goes to the Corn Nuts. It's not something I eat or find exciting. But leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I'm opening a bunch more of these, hoping to find some jelly, some Spam. Wasn't this one supposed to have Pringles? What did I even say was on this wrapper? Yeah, unless I wrote it wrong. It was supposed to have Uncrustables, which it did, and Pringles. But maybe I was doing a bunch at the same time. So maybe I wrote the wrong thing, or maybe there are different varieties. Just hope I don't get any dupes. Let's see what I get next. Subscribe, click the link below if you want to see. Bye, guys.